In this video, we're going to quickly go over the updates in days 4, 5, and 6 of the 12 days of OpenAI. Day 4, Canvas went public. And Canvas is a feature that was announced a few months ago. It was in beta. It's kind of OpenAI's answer to Anthropic's Claude artifacts. And this announcement is broken into 3 different parts. Part 1 is that Canvas is now available to everybody. Canvas is now also available in custom GPTs. I think this is the natural progression, and I hope that the next step is also including this in advanced voice mode. And the third part of this announcement, and this is the most exciting, is that Canvas can now run Python code. And this is huge that you can actually run Python code in ChatGPT. I will mention that I tried writing some Python in ChatGPT Canvas, and I ran into some problems, but maybe I was pushing a little bit too hard, so I'm going to keep playing with it. Okay, day 5 was kind of a shared announcement between Apple releasing iOS 18.2 and the integration of OpenAI's ChatGPT within iOS 18.2. And I'm so happy they finally have it because it makes Apple Intelligence and Siri so much more powerful. Now, of course, this is only available to people that have Apple devices that support Apple Intelligence. And by the way, this isn't turned on by default. So once you upgrade to the newest operating system, you have to go into settings and enable the ChatGPT extension within the Apple Intelligence section. And once you do that, you can ask a question to Siri, and if it doesn't know, it will say, do you want me to ask ChatGPT about that? And I find this very useful. I even recommend turning off that permission where Siri asks you, because I just want to be able to ask ChatGPT right away. I don't want to have to add another layer of friction. And you don't need a ChatGPT account to use this. They give you a certain amount of free uses. Another thing that I actually didn't know was coming, and I'm really happy about this, is the writing tools that were announced with 18.1 would just give you standard shorten, proofread, rewrite, set in stone option. And that was one of my biggest gripes with Apple Intelligence writing tools. But now with the ChatGPT integration, you could actually have ChatGPT work on your text and you could actually prompt it within writing tools, makes it even better. Another thing that came out with iOS 18.2, but it's only available to iPhone 16 users, is the use of visual intelligence. And this is really cool because you're able to point your camera, ChatGPT could tell you what you're seeing. So there's unlimited use cases here. And then day 6 of OpenAI's announcements was actually also very anticipated and very cool. And I've been waiting for this feature for a long time. And that is adding video and screen sharing to advanced voice mode in ChatGPT. And when they demoed advanced voice mode, they also showed the ability for it to use your camera and be able to see you and see what's around you and give you feedback on the way you look or what you're looking at. There's so many accessibility use cases for this because you get like a visual analysis and feedback. Google also announced something very similar to this advanced voice mode with video capabilities. It's just as powerful as ChatGPT's advanced voice mode with video. It actually may be even better. So that's really exciting. So we have these 2 new abilities where ChatGPT and Google could both look and conversate with you verbally, through text, and through its eyes. And I think that's really cool. Okay, so in day 7, OpenAI announced projects for ChatGPT, and this is kind of like a mini feature. It's still a product release, but it's something that a lot of us have been waiting for. It's just a way to pretty much organize your different ChatGPT conversations into folders. This is kind of a response now to cloud projects. It's a welcome feature and I'm excited to start setting it up. So that's the quick recap. I try to keep it short. It wasn't as exciting as the release of O1, Pro Mode, RFT, or Sora, but these are still announcements that I think most of us have been waiting for, and it kind of feels like all of OpenAI and ChatGPT's tools are kind of melding together to give us the experience that AI should be. And also seeing Apple Intelligence get better, and Google Gemini get better, and ChatGPT get better, and that's it for now. I'm tired. In the next video, we'll go over comparing ChatGPT's advanced voice mode with video to Gemini's real-time video chat. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.